Welcome to today's Daily Edge. If you like it, please subscribe. And if you want the Daily Edge, then you can get it on the links below.
Global markets are opening on June 11th with a severe risk-averse posture. This overnight asset scorecard heat map illustrates the broad cross-asset divergence currently driving the tape. Non-yielding assets are taking heavy losses. Look at the gold panel, plunging 3.56% to mark its sharpest sell-off in a decade. That capital flight extends directly into broad equities. The bottom row reveals the DAX 40 and NASDAQ sliding in tandem. The only green on the commodity board is WTI crude, pushing higher and sustaining levels above $90 a barrel. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones is eking out a slight gain, with value stocks temporarily absorbing capital exiting the growth sectors. This entire pre-market split traces back to a single macro driver: U.S. inflation resilience. Our objective for this session is to take this top-down divergence and translate it into a strict set of rules for intraday execution. The current risk-off market fear we are seeing originates entirely from physical constraints forming on the global energy supply chain. This dominant feedback loop diagram maps the exact causal chain, starting with a geopolitical supply shock restricting traffic through the Strait of Hormuz. That restriction immediately forces an energy surge, pushing WTI crude to the $90 threshold. The elevated energy costs then bleed into the broader economy, printing a hot 4.2% US CPI figure. Faced with sticky inflation, central banks are forced into a hawkish repricing, rapidly reviving the odds of a Fed rate hike. Finally, those revived hike expectations drive up US Treasury yields and strengthen the dollar, triggering the broad asset sell-off we are seeing on the board. Recognizing this exact causal sequence allows us to establish an institutional directional bias before the opening bell rings. With the macro theory mapped, we need to bridge those concepts into the execution architecture algorithms use to trade them. The foundation of our trading system relies on this technical model, the 200 EMA Alignment Protocol. The dashed blue line tracks the 4-hour 200 exponential moving average. This longer time frame acts as our primary directional filter, revealing the institutional macro trend. Below that, the solid black line tracks the 1-hour 200 EMA. This secondary line confirms whether the immediate tactical momentum matches the broader macro bias. When current price action drops definitively below both of these moving averages, it enters the trigger zone, locking the system into a strict sell-only mode. Requiring both timeframes to align mathematically filters out intraday noise, ensuring we only execute when true institutional momentum supports the trade. Let's apply that EMA protocol to the live pre-market board and measure how the macro feedback loop translates into technical setups. This technical scanner grid reveals a highly uniform market reality. All 6 of the major indices and commodities we track are locked in strict bearish alignment. On the top row, the FTSE 100, DAX 40, and S&P 500 are all registering sell signals. Equity valuations, particularly in the tech sector, are collapsing under the weight of the rising yields we mapped earlier. Down on the bottom row, precious metals match that structure exactly, with gold and silver gutted by surging real yields. When undeniable macro fundamentals intersect with a perfectly uniform multi-asset technical trigger, the resulting mandate is clear. The session demands an uncompromising sell-only posture. Execution is only half the mandate. Capital preservation requires mapping the temporal algorithmic risks. This intraday volatility radar highlights today's primary threat, the European and US crossover window between 1:15 and 1:45 p.m. We classify this highlighted 30-minute block as the danger zone. Inside this window, the European Central Bank's policy statements will clash directly with the release of US jobless claims and the Producer Price Index. If that US PPI print comes in hot following yesterday's high CPI, algorithms will trigger massive instant short covering whipsaws that will tear right through standard technical alignments. To protect capital, execution protocol dictates either holding flat positions or aggressively tightening trailing stops straight through this window. Factoring in that risk, we can identify the single highest conviction setup on the board. Look at this Forex podium ranking table. The rank number 1 conviction trade for the session is a USD JPY long, currently trading near 160.50. The core thesis driving this pair is an extreme expanding policy divergence. We have a hawkish, inflation-fighting US Federal Reserve clashing directly against a lagging, highly accommodative Bank of Japan. Looking at this setup spotlight infographic, the technical conviction is solid, with the pair holding firmly above both the 1-hour and 4-hour 200 EMAs. However, this crowded setup carries a massive, hidden asymmetric tail risk, marked here at an 85% probability. Trading up in the 160.00 red zone invites direct intervention from Japan's Ministry of Finance, creating the risk of a violent, unannounced structural reversal. Professional edge requires mapping the macro forces and technical triggers perfectly, but survival depends entirely on sizing the position to withstand institutional tail risks.
You can get the daily edge sent to your email every single morning. Just click the links below and you can get that every morning, Northern European session. If you're in America, the US update twice a week in the afternoons.